Hello. I am sure you continue asking questions, more tension for your parents, but more and more learning for you. So keep up the good work. Here we are again with you to answer a question curious kids ask. Why does a popcorn pop? Yeah, that's a lovely sound and we all love it. So let us get into it. Why does a popcorn pop? Where's the party tonight? On the dance floor. Where's the party tonight? There's a party? Yes, you're going to a party like this? No, I will become a popcorn and I will go. You're invited, I didn't believe it. I am a special guest. Kids love me as a popcorn. But why do you pop? Are you a pop star? No, I pop when I am put into the fire. Pop! Why? Looks like I have to tell you the full story. So here you go. I am a seed of a corn. A kernel also. So when I put in the fire, I pop and I become a popcorn. You know why? Check what's inside me. I have water and starch, and when I'm heated, the water becomes steam and it starts putting pressure on me to come out. Cover me up. So in short, I am a pressure cooker without a whistle. So I burst open and become a popcorn like this. Pop! Here I am. I am a popcorn. Where's the party tonight? I'm a popcorn. Where's the party tonight? I'm a popcorn. Thank you.